What is a volcano, Christopher?
A volcano's erupt, and the lava goes into rocks, and the lava melts, not into a rock anymore. And the lava melts a tree.
Very good. That's a lot of information about what a volcano does.
And the lava melts all your toys and your cabinets, or your dogs, or your house.
Very good, Chris.
Or your family.
Oh, I hope not.
Or your friends. Or your cousins.
Thank you, Chris. I'm going to call someone else now. Those were great answers. You know a lot about volcanoes.
Or streets can, or goes in. I'm talking. And the lava all goes down the street, and all side of a road, and all the cars go slipping down the road into the water.
Thank you, Chris. I'm going to give someone else a turn now. That was such a good answer. Okay, Serenity. Oh, wait, it's someone else's turn, Chris. So tell me what you want to say.
If it comes and it burns you, if it really burns you.
Okay, very nice. Thank you.
And then it burns you really, and it can burn you. If it burns you a lot, it will burn you.
And did you want to tell me something about volcanoes? Yeah. What?
A good blood.
What?
A good blood and fire.
Blood and fire? That's not blood. That's just fire.
Fire.
Waylon,
What do you have?
are you going to help us make this volcano, Waylon?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell me something you know about a volcano?
If the volcanoes can erupt, and you know that dinosaur book, some animals were there, some volcano.
That's right. They find some dinosaur bones in the hot lava that turned to rock. They're called fossils.
And the volcano has lava goes in the rock, and if people are near the volcanoes will run away from them.
Hey, Thomas, do you know what it means to erupt? What does that mean?
It means, I don't know. Erupt means when you're talking, the volcano will talk to that's erupting.
Oh, without interrupting?
Yeah.
So when someone's talking, you shouldn't interrupt them?
Yeah.
Well, that is almost like the same word, erupt and interrupt, right? Well, interrupt is when someone's talking, but erupt is when the hot lava comes out and like explodes, almost like a water spout coming way out of the mountain.
And hot lava explodes like the water, but instead it's not water, it's hot lava.
Yeah.
But water is not hot lava.
What do you know about volcanoes?
Volcano is what hurt you or
Thank you, George. That was a very nice answer. Thank you so much. Oh, you have more? Okay, what else?
hurts you.
It does if you touch it or go too close to it, right? What do you know about volcanoes?
My mommy don't know about volcanoes.
I measured this, see? And we're going to pour that in this bag. Can you pour that in here for me? Good job. We measured. Let's see. Wait, you got to see those lines? 6, 0. That's what we have to put it to. Now you pour that in here. Make sure you get it in the bag. job. We're going to call the next person who's listening good to come help me mix it. You see right here? We got to get the water down there, so we got to squeeze it. Squeeze it. You try again.
Squeeze it.
That's called kneading it.
Squeeze it.
Like when you bake bread, you knead the dough. Some of this stuff on the side of this so that we can make a mountain.